Hi everyone, welcome to Vlogmas day, I don't know. If you're watching Vlogmas, thank you so much. I'm so grateful. I love doing Vlogmas. I feel like some years it goes better than others, but I do really enjoy it. I do struggle as far as remembering to vlog, which I'm realizing right now while I'm uploading some footage. I have bits and pieces. I was doing pretty good there for a second, like doing the whole day. Now I feel like I'm kind of piecing days together a little bit, so we're gonna get back on top of things. But like we've been doing fun things, and sometimes I just forget to vlog it. Like today, I am decorating. I'm gonna try to get everything finished. I'm saying today and tomorrow I'm going to finish decorating, and whatever doesn't get decorated is not going to. We're almost done,
guys. Only 11 more days till Christmas.
Only 11 days till Christmas. My kids keep saying, I wish it was Christmas tomorrow. And I'm like, no, you don't. I don't. I have your Christmas presents bought. I have a few presents bought, but never have I been so unprepared as I am this year. And
because, like, you have a baby.
I don't know what it is. I feel like it's because we have stuff everywhere, so I don't want to buy more stuff. It makes me feel like I don't want to put more stuff in this house.
Well, an iPad isn't a lot of stuff.
You're not getting an iPad.
I'm getting a Kindle.
I keep telling her she's not getting an iPad, so last night she asked Santa for an iPad. Like, tell her no.
I know. I really
Anyway, we had so much fun at the Christmas party. It was really fun to see Santa. Finn was just like, cool. But the Santa and Mrs. Claus were so sweet and perfect, and I just love them. So it was fun. What else was I going to chat about? Okay, tomorrow is December 15th. Let me tell you something that's very exciting about that. I haven't talked about this. I was summoned to jury duty from December 5th until from December 1st to the 15th. So I've been stressed out every night. You have to call in. I've been so stressed out. What is stuck to your face?
So wait,
Tomorrow's the last day.
What if you get called?
What if I get called? I was just like, that's the worst timing for a mom to have jury duty, you know? It's like, it's just gonna ruin Christmas if I get, anyway. I would love to be on a jury if this situation is right.
You mean a journey?
I would love to be on a journey. I would love to be in a juror. I would love to be a juror. But Casey was traveling. It's Christmas time. So it was a little stressful this time. But I haven't been scheduled. I'll call tonight. I don't know if I call tomorrow night. I will. But then I'll be off. I'll be off. I won't be summoned anymore. Have you ever served on a jury? Let me know. I really hope to. Oh, are you taking pictures and videos of my feet, Finn?
Can I show them what the elves did?
Yeah, we'll show what the elves did. Turn that off. Finn.
He's walking her dogs, guys.
I always find the most random videos. Should we go see the elves?
Yes, I want to show them.
Okay.
I'm going to show you guys what the elves did. I found them. No one else did, because Winston and Gage aren't here, but I was the first one to find them this morning. Well, my mom was kind of, but I got mini brands, and they have a note, and it says, we've earned a lot of money because we have been doing chores, but now we need a cup of coffee. Jack is getting a cup of coffee. Jet is ironing this like towel thing. And that's like it's my Barbie clothes. And then like they've been earning hundreds of dollars. I bet it's my mom's money. I think they actually stole my mom's money because they don't look like that they're doing a lot of chores. So I think they just stole my mom's money. They definitely stole it.
What do you like better? The bow on the top of the tree or the bow on the, excuse me, Rosie, boop, boop, bottom of the tree?
Top.
Do you? I kind of like it on the bottom. But do you really like it better on the top?
Yeah, well.
Like, that was my original plan. But then I was like, kind of doesn't look great. Go get your ribbon. Let's tie a bunch of bows so we can put it on your tree. I just learned a new way to tie a bow, so I will show you. It's so easy. And then the bow turns out great. And it's easier than what I've been doing. We have this. Layla wanted like gold on her tree. I couldn't find just plain gold, so I got this rose gold. I thought she would love it. Do you love it?
Yes, I love it.
It's so pretty.
Because I was going to ask if we could get pink bows. Pink and gold bows.
Oh,
So, like, that's a perfect mix. Can we, like, see if there's, like, a other star from my tree at Hobby Lobby?
no. What's wrong with yours?
I don't love the snowflake.
Yeah, it's the same one as down here.
Yes. Well, I like it on our tree, but, like,
Oh, hi.
not on my tree.
Hi, mister. Oh, no.
Could I maybe take it off and put a bow on it?
We'll see.
Okay.
It's a cute snowflake. Okay, I'm gonna put these on the bottom. Layla, no. Don't do it. How big do you want the bows?
Like, perfect.
Finn. No. Sit down, Finn. I had to show them something. I need to show them something, okay? Do you wanna watch Spider-Man? Do you wanna watch Spider-Man?
Yeah. Finn is going to be a great vlogger when he's older.
I don't want to make it too big because I don't want to run out of this. Okay, we're going to go with this size first, and then we're going to see. We're going to see what happens. This is a little frayed. I hope it doesn't, they don't all fray.
What's
Okay.
gray?
Like how it was like,
Oh, it's like chalk.
yeah, like unraveling. You take your piece of ribbon,
Take your mysterious
or whatever.
piece of-
Put it right here on your middle finger, and you wrap it 3 times. 1, 2, or maybe 2 times. We're gonna do 3. And then on the 3rd time around, you open up your thumb like that, and then you wrap it around your thumb. So we wrapped it around our thumb and brought it up around the middle finger again, up, like through the middle fingers, tuck it in between.
Oh, okay.
Are you following? Like that? Is this making sense, Layla?
Kinda.
Okay, and then you have this shape right here.
It looks
And then
like
you're going to take the tail and you're going to tuck it in there like that. Okay, like that. Pull it. I'm going to pull it. Also at this point, if you want to put a string through right there before you tie it really tight, that way you can like attach it or like a piece of wire or something. Okay, you can take your fingers out. I'm going to like just adjust this.
What about the other string?
I'm going to show you. Oh, show. Look. The other string question mark?
Oh, yeah, I know.
It's right here. Then it's like inside of the bow.
Oh, it is like...
Okay, we should have done 2.
Oh,
We should have done 2 times. That's okay.
kind of uneven.
I
Just
mean,
a little.
you can trim it.
True. But we don't need to.
You can like trim it so it's
Oh,
all
wait,
even.
that's cute. And my tree.
Yeah, so then it will be all ready to go.
But how are we going to attach it? Do we like create another string?
Yeah, you just like you can attach it. I did it with this. Like there's a little hole through there, so you just
And then
open
you
that
have,
up and then you put the string through it and then tighten it. You know?
Yeah.
So that you can attach it.
Wait, can I try it now? You know what, guys?
I might redo this though, just with the 2. That is such pretty ribbon.
Yeah, because I wanted to like ask you if we could get pink and like a pink ribbon and gold ribbon. But look, it's a mix. Is this long enough?
Hold on. No, it's not. Measure it with this, honey.
Measuring normally.
Okay. Right there. Other way. That way. Okay, we're gonna go 1, 2. On this one, you're gonna open up your thumb and then wrap it around your thumb too, like that, around. And then this time you're gonna go up and through. Oopsies.
Yeah.
Oh, you gotta open your fingers more. And pull it so it goes through, and it's gonna have like you gotta make sure it stays on your all connected. Okay, and then we go through here.
Look how perfect that curl is, guys.
Now I feel like the other side is too long.
Guys,
Through right there. I don't know the secret.
look at that curl.
Okay.
Okay, so like this, and then there.
I like that curl. Pull it, cinch it. Cinch it over here.
And then
And then
this one's really tiny, guys.
that's okay. No, I have one side that's so short.
Well,
Listen, you can look this tutorial up.
Mom,
Why
look.
don't you just cut the other side?
Well, you can, but I just want it to be even.
Mom, look.
Okay,
Guys, I'm cutting it.
we're gonna keep working on this. Layla, that looks so cute. I'll go get more ribbon.
Yeah, we definitely need
We
more.
definitely need more. That looks adorable. I love it. I love the snowflake on top. Why don't you like
I
it?
do, but it's just like I thought it would look weird with like the gold.
Why?
I thought you could like see the gold a little better, so I would think like that looked weird.
Maybe
but
we can just make a bigger bow and put it with the
yeah,
snowflake.
that's what I was thinking.
I love that.
Same.
Cutie. Good job.
Thanks.
All right. Very proud of you. That was a great idea. I'm cooking dinner. No, I'm not cooking dinner. I got leftover chili last night from the Christmas party. My aunt made it. It's so delicious. So I'm warming that up and we're having chili tonight. Have you ever had chili? Oh, and
Yeah.
pumpkin bars? Chili's really good.
Can I have chicken?
You said you would try it. You said you would try the chili.
I said I would try it in 1,000 years.
Picky eaters.
I'm
Picky.
not that picky.
You have been lately. That's not chili. That's not chili. I made the spaghetti bake.
It's
again.
yummy.
I mean,
wait, is this the
already.
bacon, the chicken bacon ranch one?
No.
Oh, you're like it doesn't taste like chicken bacon.
Yeah, it
ranch.
doesn't. It's not. Casey and I are having chili. I like to put laughing cow cheese in mine. Look at all of these new colors. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This brand Luxa, a lot of people love. They were having a Black Friday sale, so I got some new polishes. I'm so excited. We're repainting Layla's nails. We just did them the other day, but they're peeling and she's picking a little, I think. No?
No.
You know what we're doing? These?
Yeah, I was thinking. Okay, so I have like a thing in my mind.
Okay.
So I want to do red,
Okay.
red French tip, red, and then on this, I want to do like these dot things around your nose.
Okay.
Red, green, and white,
Okay.
and then like a little swerve Christmas tree,
Okay.
and then same on this hand.
Okay.
But I think I want to do one white tip and one green tip.
Okay. Okay, we'll show you. We'll show you how it all comes together.
I'll show you.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow we're